How to group notifications by app on your iPhone. Grouping notifications by app keeps your notification center organized by collecting alerts from the same app into a single stack, making them much easier to manage. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap Notifications. Next, scroll through the list and select the app you want to customize. For this example, I'll choose Instagram, but you can use the same steps for any supported app. Scroll down until you find Notification Grouping, then tap on it. You'll see three options: Automatic, By App, and Off. To group all notifications from that app together, simply select By App. Your changes are saved automatically, and future notifications from that app will appear in a single grouped stack instead of being displayed separately. If you ever want iOS to organize notifications automatically, you can switch back to Automatic. Or if you prefer to see every notification individually, select Off. And that's it. You've successfully grouped notifications by app on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.